because YouTube provides us a free service, free storage service, where you can upload your video as many as you like. So you don't have to actually jam your computer space. Alright, that's the advantage. And then it's online. It can be accessed, but still the better way is to organize all these videos. Even though it's in your YouTube, it's not well organized. It can be many videos in your YouTube, but it's better to organize whether by using blog or using Facebook, so that you can tell your student this video is referring to which chapter, which page, for example. So once it is well organized, then the students find it very user-friendly. So when it is user-friendly, then the chances of that coming back to view your video is higher. Remember, in the internet there are thousands, millions of contents, but not many of these contents are useful. Some could be boring. So it is very important that we create a video which can attract or engage these students. Alright? Okay, let me show you the concept of OSI. This OSI actually started from what we call the supplemental instruction concept, SI. So which was developed by this professor called Diana Martin in 19th century at the University of Missouri, which is next to my neighbor to my university in Kansas City where I studied last time. So what is this SI actually? So SI, there are two forms basically. One is provide tutorial, tuition and all that. But the tuition in Malaysia is that we engage somebody, we pay. Alright? In a university, we can get senior students to provide tutorial. Alright? To provide tutorial. And we can, it's actually a form of academic assistance, where normally we get senior students to become mentors. Mentors to the current students. Okay? So I don't know how you're going to do it. I've done it successfully through the students, my students in the Open University Malaysia. They are all working adults and they are all distance learners, They don't come to class like your students, Right? So my students are all remote. So it's very difficult to get them to come and attend extra class. Sometimes we provide free tutorial, extra classes, exam coaching. But the attendance are not very good because first, working adults, they have families. Second, because of the distance, they tend not to come. Even though you are a good lecturer, you provide good lecture, you are trying to help them, they are not interested to come. Whereas your students, they are all full-time. You just tell them to come, they will have to come. Alright, it's easy for them because they are full-time. But I think, end of the day, after teaching these students, you must understand, during class, some of these students may not be able to follow or may not understand. Some of the weaker students, they need a few times to refresh, to look at those lectures. That's why we propose to use videos to assist the students. Of course, the OSI uses mentors. We have good students among the good students in our class. You can identify easily who are the good students. Who are the students who always like to come out and lead, So you have to be able to identify this group of students to become their mentor. So the OSI concept actually comes from SI, but we add the word O because O stands for online. So when the students are remote from us, there's no way we can get all these students to come to class. So the best way is to organize the class through online. Alright, so we have mentors here. So this has been successful. We have conducted research. We have found the success rate is better when we compare a tutor or a lecturer which use normal way of teaching compared to another lecturer who uses OSI method. We can see there's a vast difference in terms of final exam results, attendance in the exam and so on. So we can measure, we have measured, in fact it's proven that it is quite good. But along the way, because I mentioned just now, the silver medal that we won was in 2008, today is already 2010. So over the past 2 years we have improved a lot of things. Those days we were using blogs, but today we are using Facebook. So I will share